Hi everyone! Today's session is going to be going over equations of lines in three different forms. So our goals are to identify three different forms for writing the equation of a line. Then we're going to graph a line given its equation, and we might have equations in slope-intercept form, point-slope form, or standard form. And we are also going to practice writing the equation of a line given its graph. So let's just start with some preliminaries, and if you don't know a lot about slope, I'm not really going to be teaching about how to find slope, how to use slope to find another point on the line. So if you need help with that, I've included some links here, but if you are not watching this in an Adobe room and you're watching it on YouTube, then you're going to need to use the links that I sent out in the email where you found this recording. So we'll go back to that email and click on those three links and see what you can learn about slope. And then lastly, as a preliminary, I want you to have your notes out. So if you need to go get a piece of paper, then go do that right now. And I want you to turn your paper sideways and have three different columns. And what I want you to do right now is on those three columns, I want you to label each column as slope-intercept form, then point-slope form, and standard form. And the rest of the notes we're going to fill out as we go through, so you don't need to write down whatever else is on this example here, but that's the idea of what our notes are going to look like. And then as we go through the next three videos, you're going to be filling in each column. So one column is going to be totally for slope-intercept form, and then the next video you watch will be about point-slope form, and the last video about standard form. So that's how you'll fill in your notes as we go along. So take a minute to go get out those notes.